Okay, so today I'm going to share with you how to create your own registration page. And this is the preview of what your registration page looks like. The logo, the title, the subheadline, the time and date of your registration, and then they need to input their data here, and the speakers below. Okay, so on your dashboard, you will see all the list of your webinars, and then go to your registration page. This is what your registration page set up. And then if you would like to enable your opt-in, just click this one and then hit enabled. For those who are not yet familiar with opt-in, the double opt-in is the registrants have to confirm if they really wanted to join the webinar or if they really wanted to sign up. That should make them more responsive to your email and more likely to open and click it. Using a double opt-in is also a great way to keep your email lists clean. And then once you have enabled this, select an email you would like to send the email confirmation, and then you type in the subject of the email. And then here you can customize what message you would like to send to them. Or you can also use the template we have here. And then the next one is the logo. You just need to upload from your computer. Select file, or you can also drag and drop. For this one, I already added one. So this is the file of the logo I added. And then the headline of your registration. So I put in here the Jet Webinar Presents, and then the sub-headline of your webinar. And then if you would also like to add a video on the registration page, like giving them a summary or a brief discussion about what the webinar is discussing too, you can also add it here. The files you're going to add here are from the files you have under your media tab here. So you need to add the files on your media tab first before having to add files under your registration page video. We also have another video on how to add files on your media tabs. Don't you worry. Okay, so this one I already added a video here for my registration page, and then I enabled a speaker. So I added the name of the speaker, the title, and then the headshot or the image of the speaker. And then if you would like to add more speaker, just click this enabled speaker number 2 to enable, and then the name, and then the title of the second speaker, and also the image of the second speaker. Here is the description page. You have to write in here the summary or what your webinar is about. So the registrants or the attendee knows a summary of what they are trying to register. And then the standard fields here is you're going to ask them the first name or the last name. Just click in this checkbox, the email address, and if you're going to collect more information from them, you just click this add custom field. If you wanted to gather their phone number here, just put in here, and then the value, and then the type. If you wanted a checkbox, or if you wanted texts, and if you also wanted to, if it is a requirement, just type in yes, so the registrant knows that you need to fill in that form in order to complete the registration. So for now, I'm just going to ask for their first name and their email address. And this GDPR consent box, to enable this, just click in enabled, and then it will give you more options about what you have to fill in for this GDPR consent box. The GDPR consent box, this is like a consent or a permission from the registrants that your contact will use to opt into your marketing, and space for you to add necessary information. So it's like consent. and then just type in here the label, or this is not necessary, it's an optional, so you can put it blank. But for now, just added here the word sample. And then you can also link here the page for your terms, rules, terms of use, policy page. Just need to paste the link here, or the page, the URL page here. And then the custom privacy policy level. So I put in here the rules and regulation for them to know. And then once I'm set up, you're all set up, just click the save webinar, and let me show you what then. This is the before of your registration page, right? This is the before, and then I'm going to refresh it to show you what were added. So after refreshing, you've noticed that I have here the sample rules and regulations. So this is what your GDPR consent box works. This is how it works. And then if you click this rules and regulation hyperlink word, it'll be redirected to the policy, company policy of your GDPR or your company. And then if they have sign up, so I will try to sign up to know how the enable opt-in works. So I'll click sign up, and then I'll check my email. Okay, this is the email I received after registering. This is the subject, and then the sample body letter of the confirmation email. So that's all. I think that's all. And thank you.